Only Child, a $5.50 chance in front of Birdie Francis, $9. Nearing a start for the first. Just about set. There goes the green light. The arms fold back and they're off in race number 1. And She's the Other One began well off the inside, taken on by Our Lansdowne Road, who now rolls to the front. And Lap Dancer caught 3 wide as they roll into that first turn. They're followed by She's So Foxy, who's in 4th position. And over on the inside came 7th Century in 5th. And then came Donny C. Drifting back was The Only Child with Loves the Show on the inside, just going past it. Jimmy Jasper second last, and Birdie Francis is the last one. The lead time was 8.6. as they roll into the home straight, and they're about to get the bill, and it's Our Lansdowne Road who leads the way. Striding a little bit closer was Lap Dancer, the favourite, to park outside the leader as they come down the straight, and they're about to get the bill. That first quarter was run in 30:09. So Lap Dancer outside of Our Lansdowne Road, and leaders back was She's the Other One. She's So Foxy's the 1-1. 3 back along the inside, 7th Century. 3 back the running line was Donny C. They're followed then by Loves the Show from Birdie Francis along the inside. Second last was The Only Child, and Jimmy Jasper is last of all. They're heading towards the back with about 900 metres left to go. Our Lansdowne Road in front. Lap Dancer sitting second, the favourite, and third was She's the Other One from She's So Foxy, who's in the 1-1. That second quarter was run in 32 seconds flat. They really backed it off through the middle stages. And in about 5th position, then on the outside came Donny C from 7th Century, Loves the Show, Birdie Francis, Jimmy Jasper, and the Only Child is last of all. 600 metres left to go. In front, Our Lansdowne Road from Lap Dancer second. She's the Other One as leaders back. The 1-1 was She's So Foxy, about to pull out 3 wide. Then came Donny C, 7th Century. The Only Child taking off around Loves the Show, Birdie Francis, and Jimmy Jasper is last of all. 30-1 was that third quarter. Our Lansdowne Road's travelling here. Up to the turn, it'll drop them off. She's the Other One's about to cut the corner. Lap Dancer's gone as Our Lansdowne Road went into another gear at the top of the straight. She's the Other One getting up along the inside, and then 7th Century, but Our Lansdowne Road in front, and Our Lansdowne Road too good in the first. Our Lansdowne Road, what, a length and a half. She's the Other One second, 7th Century third. Lap Dancer possibly hung on to 4th in front of Birdie Francis, Donny C, The Only Child, She's So Foxy, Jimmy Jasper, and Loves the Show. 28.2 final quarter mile rate, 2 minutes, 0.9. Our Lansdowne Road,